Start. The petitioner, who is a practicing advocate, has invoked the jurisdiction of this court to seek two distinct reliefs. Full stop. The first of them is for challenging an office order dated 1st November 2022 of the Bar Council of India to all the state bar councils, the purport of which, according to the petitioner, was to interdict the process of verification of advocates who are enrolled with the state bar councils for scrutinizing the genuineness of their decrees and enrollments. Full stop. The second issue deals with the method of co-opting members of the state bar councils to fill up casual vacancies. Para. The Bar Council of India constituted a high-powered committee for monitoring the process of verification, which was headed by a former judge of the Supreme Court, two former judges of the High Courts, and three members of the Bar Council of India. Para. The process of verification encountered difficulties as a result of the charges which were demanded by the universities for verification of the educational certificates of the advocates. Full stop. On 1st March 2017, a two-judge bench of this court issued a direction to all the universities not to demand charges for verification of educational certificates. Para. The process of verification has consumed time as a number of advocates, which stood at 16 lakh at the material time, is estimated to be almost 25.70 lakh at the present. Full stop. The counter affidavit, which has been filed by the Bar Council of India, indicates the state-wise position in regard to verification of enrolled advocates. Para. The above statement indicates that out of 20.57 lakh advocates, about 7.55 lakh forms were received for the purpose of verification. Full stop. Senior advocates and advocate on record were only required to issue a declaration, and accordingly 1.99 lakh declarations have been received. Full stop. The total number of forms received is thus 9.22 lakh as indicated in the above table. Para. The above table indicates that a majority of advocates enrolled with the state bar councils have not submitted their verification forms. Full stop. The Bar Council of India apprehends that many advocates who have not submitted their form for verification are two persons who are not qualified or are in possession of fake degrees. Full stop. The Bar Council of India has submitted, and with justification, that this class of persons without the possession of qualifications required for law practice is known to enter upon the arena of courts for extraneous purposes, including the disruption of work. Full stop. The Bar Council of India is justified in asserting that such persons have to be identified and weeded out from the list of advocates enrolled with the Bar Council's para. The due verification of advocates who are enrolled with the State Bar Councils is of utmost importance to preserve the integrity of the administration of justice. Full stop. Persons who profess to be lawyers but do not either have the educational qualifications or degree certificates on the basis of which they could have lawfully granted entry to the bar pose a grave danger to the administration of justice to citizens. Stop.